Hi everyone, I hope you are feeling really well. It's time of the day for Quality Moment. Today we would like to share with you about what had happened to NDK Crystal Factory, Belvidere, Illinois. NDK Crystal operated a synthetic quartz crystal manufacturing facility and industrial area in Belvidere, Illinois. NDK produces large crystals used for a variety of products, particularly electronic devices. The facility housed 8 massive cylindrical pressure vessels with 8-inch thick steel walls, standing 55 feet tall.
Over the years, NDK was warned that corrosion might be compromising the walls of the pressure vessels. Yet the company continued to operate these vessels without performing recommended inspections. On December 7, 2009, pressure vessel number 2 was 120 days into a routine 150-day crystal growing cycle, when suddenly, at about 2:30 p.m., it violently ruptured. Large pieces of structural steel were thrown from the building. One piece was blown 650 feet toward a gas station on the Illinois Tollway. Tragically, the building fragment struck and killed a driver who was walking back to his truck. A large piece of the pressure vessel tore through an exterior wall of the NDK facility, skipped across a neighboring parking lot, and struck the wall of an adjacent automotive supply company where nearly 70 people were working. One was injured. To determine the cause of the failure, the CSB reviewed process data from vessel number 2 and worked with the National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, to examine results from metallurgical testing. The investigation concluded that the failure most likely resulted from stress corrosion cracking on the inside walls of the vessel, which had gone uninspected and undetected for years. In fact, the CSB learned that NDK never actually tested or verified the effectiveness of the acmite coating to prevent the corrosion in the vessels. In addition, the CSB found the design of the NDK vessels made them inherently susceptible to stress corrosion cracking. A combination of vessel materials, caustic sodium hydroxide solution, and high temperatures and pressures created a corrosive environment inside the vessels. Also, the vessels did not meet requirements of the widely recognized ASME boiler and pressure vessel code. The thickness of the vessel walls exceeded recommended limits to ensure safe manufacturing, and 3 of the vessels did not meet the code's requirements for toughness. In 2002, NDK had petitioned Illinois state regulators for a special exemption to use the 3 vessels, and this was granted. The vessel designer, Engineering Pressure Systems, recommended that the inside of the vessels be inspected annually, but the CSB found that neither NDK nor the state of Illinois ever performed regular internal inspections of any of the 8 vessels.
This incident can be associated with our 5 PD&T quality golden rules, which are: Rules number 1, appoint only qualified and certified personnel as required by the job. Rules number 2, follow valid procedures, approved drawings and specifications. Rules number 5, check work before acceptance. Before proceeding to the next process, ensure the current process has met all the acceptance criteria. This incident also can relate to Petronas' 5 quality principles, which are: Number 1, conformance to requirements. 2, prevention. 3, right things right every time. 4, price of non-conformance. 5, proactive leadership at all levels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to begins and ends with quality. Stay safe.